Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevrolet Trax and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power outlets or cigarette lighter are not working. You will have one power outlet right here and you will have one just behind the middle console down here. This video will apply to Chevrolet Traxes made from 2013 all the way up to 2017. Now all the fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box just next to the steering wheel in a passenger cabin behind this compartment. So first you want to open the compartment and then you'll have to lower it all the way down. You can do that by pressing here onto the sides. You'll have here, you'll see these black clips on each side. So you want to press it here and then just lower it down all the way. And here you will have access to all of the fuses. Now to get more space to work here, actually you might want to completely remove this. You will have again two tabs here on the bottom. And you just want to pretty much lift up and wiggle it off. You see, it's just attached at the bottom. And on the back side of this you will have a small fuse diagram. Now these fuses are kind of hard to access. They're all the way up on the top. I hope you'll be able to see them. I have to squeeze my phone inside somehow. Okay, and the first fuse you want to check will be fuse number 21, which will be this red 10 amp fuse up here, and this is the fuse responsible for that power outlet on the back of the middle console. And just under it, the yellow 20 amp fuse. This is your main power outlet fuse responsible for power to the dashboard, the cigarette lighter and the power outlet. Okay, I'll try to get my phone a bit better inside. Okay, so all the way up there you see these two fuses, 20 amp and a red 10 amp. Those are the fuses you want to check. Yeah, so most often fuse is the problem of power outlets not working, but if both of the fuses are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper and look at the power outlets themselves or possible wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.